Hey you guys, it's Sheba Renee and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I am doing a full wash day on my natural hair. I have 3C for a fine, low density, high porosity hair. Those are my characteristics and I just thought I'd shoot that out there. If you are not a subscriber to this channel, what are you waiting for? Tap that subscribe button and the notification bell for my future uploads. And let's get on into it. So right now I am wetting my hair down, getting it saturated and breaking up all the particles and the debris and the dust and dirt and sweat that could be in my hair, getting it prepped and ready for the cleansing process. So I will be using the Melanin hair care line, the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo with revitalizing tea tree and soothing turmeric plus black cumin seed. Now, when I first used this shampoo, to me it felt a little drying, and I guess that's the first time me using it. I kind of was in shock a little bit, but this time around, my second time using it, as you can see, I am detangling with this shampoo. I absolutely love it. It does not strip my hair of its natural oils, and it leaves it fresh and clean. You can definitely feel the cleanness in your hair, and soft, may I add. So now I am going with the Melanin Hair Care, the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner with nourishing babu oil. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but you get my drift. And turnip root plus pro vitamin B5. Now this stuff is very softening. As you can see, it is definitely defining my curls to a certain extent. It is very soft. You can use this as a detangler. You can use it as a washout conditioner, as a leave-in, a moisturizer, a daily moisturizer, I should say. This stuff is very, very nice and very good feeling on the hair. So as you can see, my curls are popping after that wash session, you guys. I am really loving this Melanin hair care. So now I'm going in with my DIY banana treat. I will leave a link for you above for the DIY recipe, but I really love this stuff and I have noticed that it has been promoting my hair growth. So I'm going to apply that and let you guys watch, and I'll be back in just a sec to keep running my mouth. So now it's time to deep condition, and you guys see me rip and rave all the time about the Capture, which is an all-purpose heating cap without the use of a shower cap. Now it has these flaxseed bags that you can heat up and sit in the pockets for more extensive heat if that's what you're looking for. Me, I have egg in my hair, so I'm not trying to fry it today. I am right now tying up around the perimeter that suits the comfort of my head, and it has a drawstring at the top to close in the top area. So boom, bow, bip, time to sit. So after the 2 hours, it is time to rinse my hair with some nice cool water, and my hair feels amazing. Like I said, I'm going to leave the cards above for these DIY egg treatments that I like to do. I mix it up a bit, sometimes with the banana, sometimes without the banana. It just really depends on my preference. But check the curls. Y'all see that? Check the shine. My hair looks darker. She's strengthened, nourished, everything. Okay? So now I'm going in with the 50/50 Giovanni Balanced Conditioner to bring back that moisture in my hair. And I love this stuff. She is a staple. She is not going anywhere. You guys will see her a lot. Okay? But the moisture she puts in my hair is creamy. A little goes a long way. But I was very heavy-handed with her today, and it's my preference. But yes, I absolutely love this conditioner, and it has a very light scent. It doesn't really leave too much of a smell in your hair, just to let you know. So So now I am rinsing out all that good old conditioner. My hair feels superb, y'all. It feels so cleansed and clean. My curls are defined. She looks darker. She looks more richer in color, everything. Best of all, I got my moisture back. She feels strengthened, and I just absolutely love this wash day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell for my future uploads. And I will see you guys next time. And again, thank you for watching.